Hey guys, it's Iggy. Welcome back. I'm really excited today because I get to use the brand new Adelaine palette, and this, oh my goodness guys, is so amazing. And I literally did my full face and eye look using this palette, so if you guys want to see how I did it, stay tuned and keep watching. In this palette you get 9 creamy blendable shades in here, as well as a beautiful highlight and a blush. It's like a full face in one with this palette. It is so pretty, and I'm really excited to use this shade down here, and that one's called Girls Supporting Girls, and it's this beautiful like mustardy yellow. So to get started, I already have my eyes primed and everything. You guys know I love to use Shape Tape as my primer, so I'm going to use that first shade, which is really exciting. It's this one down here called Girls Supporting Girls. I'm just going to place that into my crease, and then I'm going to slowly buff it out. I'm also going to take that same yellow shade that I just used and also place this along the lower lash line. I'm going to really like buff and blow this look out. I feel like I'm really obsessed with this yellow, so I kind of want to experiment a little bit more with it and just kind of see how it looks. Being extra, like me. So for my next shade, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Boss Lady down here, and with a more flat brush, I'm just going to take this and pack this all over my eyelid and then slowly work this into my crease, like so. Also taking that shade too and then blending this along the lower lash line. This eye look is so vibrant. Like, I don't even feel like on camera it justifies how actually stunning it is. Like, this palette, thank you Adelaine. Now to add a little bit of shimmer, I'm not going to add too much, so I'm just going to take my ring finger here and I'm just going to gently tap into that shade called Law of Attraction. It's this beautiful gold shade up here, and I'm gently, just gently, I'm not putting too much pressure, but I'm just going to tap this on the eyelid for just kind of like a sheer little gold tint. Alright, so this is the eye look so far. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of a break from the eyes, and then we're going to go into the face. Going in with this bottom blush shade called I Feel Beautiful. Whoa, this blush shade is stunning. So pretty. But after blush, I'm going to go in with this beautiful, gorgeous highlight shade up here called Promise Ring, and I'm just going to apply this to the highest point of my cheekbones. Oh, hi. Hi cheekbones I never knew I had. Ooh, imagine this wet. And this one I'm just using, this is the Rainforest the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. Oh. Whoa, hi. Go back in with that same highlighter shade called Promise Ring, and I'm just gonna take this and gently place this above my Cupid's bow here. This kind of just gives an illusion of a bigger upper lip. So I like to just do it like this. And you can see how it kind of just draws a little bit more light there. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to take this and now place it underneath my brow bone here, just to kind of give it more of a pop. Kind of like this cheekbone right here. A little bit of pop. Now going in with the Easy on the Eyes clay liners, I'm using the shade Bronze here, and I'm just going to take this and put this on my waterline and lash line as well, just to kind of blend the lashes when I go in to put some falsies in, and to kind of really like pull this look together. It's going to go snatch the eye. I'm going to go ahead and apply a few light coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and then I'm going to use my Ride or Die lashes. These are our TARTE Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style of Wifey. To complete this look, I'm going to go in with our TARTE Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Home Slice. Alright guys, and that completes today's look using the new Adeline palette. And this palette, guys, is so amazing. Look how vibrant this eye look is. This is perfect for just even every day. So many beautiful shades in this palette, so I'm really excited for you guys to get your hands on this and try it. I will leave a link down below for this amazing, gorgeous palette so you guys can check it out yourselves. And thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.